U.S. stocks, they're pointing to a slightly higher open this Wednesday morning as investors prepare for the latest in economic data as the year begins to close. Investors turning their focus over to the data space as consumer confidence and pending home sales are set to be released at 10 o'clock this morning. Meanwhile, 10:30 in the morning, we have the Dallas Fed's Texas Service Sector Outlook Survey, and that's expected to be released again 10:30 in the morning. Meanwhile, in politics, investors continuing to look over the latest concerning tax reform, which has boosted market sentiment in recent weeks. On Friday, President Donald Trump signing a $1.5 trillion tax bill in law, capping off a year-long effort to cut tax rates for both individuals as well as companies. Meanwhile, in the Forex market, the euro-dollar, that's where we begin, and that sees the bias remain bullish, while the British pound-US dollar pair sees the continuation of the rebound. The US dollar-Japanese yen pair, that sees consolidation, while the British pound-Japanese yen pair sees further advance, and that's in focus as the pair has broken above a declining trend line and should post further advance as it stands above its moving averages. Long positions above 150-135 are favored with targets at 152 and 152.35 in extension. Moving on to the Bitcoin dollar pair, which continues to trade above its Bollinger Band at its pivot point of 15,512.06, while over in precious metals, gold intraday sees the upside prevail, and that remains in focus as gold is supported by a rising trend line and by its ascending moving averages. Long positions above 1276.50 are favored with targets at 1290 and 1295 in extension. And lastly, silver, that continues to see further advance. Don't forget to follow Trading Central on Twitter at Trading Central for all of your Forex market updates. And for Trading Central Web TV from the New York Stock Exchange on a Wednesday morning, I'm James Sweeney.